This video shows you how to install Ring Stick-Up Cam plug-in, a smart wired security camera that can be placed indoors or outdoors. To get started, bring your Stick-Up Cam to the room where you plan to install it. Now open the Ring app on your phone or tablet. It's available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Select Set up a device. Tap Security Cams. Then scan the barcode located inside the battery compartment. This begins the setup process in the app. Next, remove the rubber plug from the back of your Stick-Up Cam and plug in the included power adapter. Then plug the other end into an outlet. If you're installing outdoors, you'll need to attach the included outdoor power cable first. To do that, press the button on the power adapter like this, then slide off the power plug. Then just slide the outdoor power connector in until you hear a click. Now it's ready to plug in. If you plan to simply sit your Stick-Up Cam on a surface, just place it at your chosen location. Your Stick-Up Cam is now ready to protect you. To get a downward view from your Stick-Up Cam, rotate the base so the longer side faces the front. Then tilt the camera down to your chosen angle. Your Stick-Up Cam features two optional security screw locations to secure the base and the bottom cover. To add them, rotate the base of your Stick-Up Cam, then insert the included screws and tighten each of them with a Phillips head screwdriver. Now, let's look at how to mount your Stick-Up Cam on a wall. First, remove the base by unscrewing it using a Phillips head screwdriver. Reattach the base to the back of your Stick-Up Cam. Make sure the up arrow on the bracket is pointing upwards. Once it's on, remove the mounting bracket from the base. It'll slide right off. Now, hold the mounting bracket against your wall with the up arrow pointing upwards and mount it on your wall with the included screws. Next, slide your Stick-Up Cam onto the bracket by guiding the grooves in the base onto the hooks in the mounting bracket. Your Stick-Up Cam is now ready to protect you. If desired, insert the two optional security screws. To ceiling mount, you'll use the Ring Stick-Up Cam mount, which is sold separately. We hope this video has helped you set up your Ring Stick-Up Cam plug-in. Need more help? Visit us at ring.com.